I've been exploring the Brizy website builder for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this website builder. First, let's talk about what Brizy website builder actually offers. Brizy is a modern, AI-powered website builder that's available both as a WordPress plugin and as a cloud-based platform. The concept is straightforward. Build beautiful, responsive websites faster with drag-and-drop editing and AI assistance that helps generate layouts, content, and visuals in just a few seconds. You can start from scratch or choose from more than 500 pre-made blocks and templates, all neatly categorized for easy customization. It's built for creators, freelancers, and small businesses that want a professional site without the complexity of coding. Now let's talk about what Brizy gets right. The interface is clean, clutter-free, and feels intuitive even for beginners. You can edit everything directly on the page: text, images, buttons, and elements, while seeing real-time results. The AI builder is impressively fast, generating industry-tailored designs complete with headings, paragraphs, and relevant imagery. Brizy Cloud also includes hosting powered by AWS, so you don't need to worry about setup or maintenance. The platform integrates smoothly with marketing tools like MailChimp, Zapier, and WooCommerce, making it flexible for e-commerce and lead generation. However, there are a few drawbacks. The AI-generated content can feel repetitive or slightly off-brand, and some adjustments, like changing layout or design color schemes, require manual tweaks. The customization depth is still lighter than heavyweights like Elementor or Divi, and the free plan has noticeable limitations. Overall, Brizy website builder strikes a strong balance between simplicity, speed, and smart automation. It's perfect for users who want good design without the technical fuss, quick to start, easy to manage, and continuously improving with AI at its core. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.